Take a look at this 2007 Ford Super Duty F-350. Carfax has certified this Super Duty F-350 as having one owner. The Super Duty F-350 has just under 52,500 miles. For your protection, a warranty is available for this vehicle. The Super Duty F-350 boasts a 6.0-liter turbo engine and has an automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses diesel. Additional options for this vehicle include power locks, AM/FM stereo, tow package, driver airbag and night vision. Call 888-300-1565 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.